Animal behavior. Animal behavior is anything an animal does involving action and response from a stimulus. The word taxi came from an ancient Greek term that means arrangement. Its plural form is taxes. It is the movement of an organism in response to a stimulus such as light or the presence of food. Taxes are classified based on the type of stimulus and on whether the organism's response is to move towards or away from the stimulus. Aerotaxis is the response of an organism to variation in oxygen concentration and is mainly found in aerobic bacteria. Anemotaxis is the response of an organism to wind. Many insects show a positive anemotactic response upon exposure to an airborne stimulus cue from a food source. Chemotaxis is a response elicited by chemicals, that is, a response to a chemical concentration gradient. For example, chemotaxis in response to a sugar gradient has been observed in motile bacteria such as E. coli. Electrotaxis or galvanotaxis is the directional movement of motile cells in response to an electric field. It has been suggested that by detecting and orienting themselves toward the electric fields, cells are able to direct their movement towards the damages or wounds to repair the defect. Gravitaxis, also known historically as geotaxis, is a response to the attraction due to gravity. The planktonic larvae of the king crab use a combination of positive phototaxis and negative gravitaxis. Phonotaxis is the movement of an organism in response to sound. Phototaxis is the movement of an organism in response to light. That is, the response to variation in light intensity and direction. Negative phototaxis, or movement away from a light source, is demonstrated in some insects such as cockroaches. Positive phototaxis, or movement towards a light source, is advantageous for phototropic organisms as they can orient themselves most efficiently to receive light for photosynthesis.